Hi! Welcome to Fab and Mic. In today's episode we will do a pumpkin. And we will make it in fabric. For this project I will need a needle, some fabric, this is velvet, this is some shiny, some yarn, and a big plate, and a pen. This is a curtain, but I like this shimmery. This is the biggest plate I have. We want to have a circle. So I just trace this plate with the pen. Like this. And then I take the scissors. It's so shimmery. And of course pink. And as always, pick up the color you want. Since I decided to go pink this year, I will go pink all the way. Here we go. I will take some yarn. I will tell you, I'm not the best sewer, but what you do is you should just go up and down like this. Anyone can do this. Just down, up, down, up. You see? So this is what you will do all the way. I love fall. And this doesn't have to be shiny, but that is the one that I had. You see, you don't have to be an expert on sewing. Just do your best. Handcrafting is so relaxing. Make a cup of tea or coffee, go to your favorite spot and just be creative for an hour or two. It's starting to be like a little bag, and that bag you will then fill with some filling. And you can take what you have. I will take an old pillow, but you can take your kids' stuffed animals, or you can take plastic bags, or you can take paper, or whatever you have. Okay, now I have done the whole bar. I want my pumpkin to be a bit, have like a pumpkin form. So I will take some more thread for that, maybe like this. I will show you. I couldn't find any pillow or any stuffing. So what I will do, I will take some silk paper and fill. Rip them apart. I will fill this with some silk paper. I will actually do 2 knots. This is not the shape I want. I want it to be more like this. What I'm going to do is to use this thread here, and I will go down here to the middle, up here, and up here. See, that's it. And to the other side, down here in the middle. This. And then I will go here. If you come this far into the video, please subscribe. Something like this, and then you just do some knits and trim. So this is how the pumpkin was, and now we need to have a steam. So we have our pipe cleaners, or how do you say in English? I don't know. And I have lots of them. Oh, this is for Christmas. Have to dig in and choose what we will use. To glam it a bit, we will use this yarn again. And the pipe cleaner. Just do like this. Will you reach the end? Some glue in the end, like this. Just hold it for a while. You can take a pen and you just twine it like this. And you go to the other side. Do the same thing, like this. Then you put it around here. You don't have to glue this, you just take a turn. This. To have a cute little pumpkin. This doesn't look good, I think. Maybe we should så det klokt ut. I'm not 100% satisfied with this one. So I'm thinking, what can we do? What can we do? Maybe we can take a bit of this. And we glue it here. That's a bit better, but not 100% good. I will put a little glue in the back here, like this, and then I will take this yarn again and do like this. You see what I'm doing here? Taking this yarn and go round. I want to have this look more like a pumpkin. So much better. You know me, I want to glam this up a bit, so let's do some glitter. We use this glue. I will just put it some here. Paint where I want the glitter. Here we go. Some sparkle. I made a big one as well. And this is the final result. I think they are super cute. And so easy to do. So I hope this video was inspiring for you. And if you make your own pumpkins, don't forget to tag Fab and Mic. Here's the small one with glitter. And this is the big one. So cute. So cute. I think I will do some more. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.